All right, this is part 5 of actually drawing the truss, and we've got our basic design of our through petty truss. And so as you can see, all of the members are about 1/8 of an inch. And so if I have a piece of 8-inch stock, I can literally lay the stock on the piece of paper, and it's going to be about the width. Notice it's you look at the end here, it is about exactly the width here. And so when I actually start building my bridge, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, and I will take a pencil and I will draw. Just zoom in here. I will literally draw on my wood. I line my wood up, and I want to cut this bottom piece. So I'm going to line my wood up, and then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to draw a line. See, it's not a straight line, it's a diagonal line, because it's going to match this drawing here. So it's got to be at a diagonal. And then I'm going to take my wood and I'll take it to a cutting board and get an X-Acto knife, and I'll cut this at that angle. So all of these can then be laid directly on your drawing, and then as you want to cut something, you literally just draw the line exactly in line with your drawing, and that tells you exactly where you need to cut it. So like this one right here, so that thing's going to fit just like a puzzle piece in there, which is what you want. You want really tight joints so that you have a strong bridge. If your joints don't come together very well, it's not going to be as strong as it could be. Okay, so we have our basic drawing done, and then we'll look back at our original picture, and you can see that there's some extra pieces that are on this thing. So I need to come back and draw those in. These pieces here have got a place that a member that bisects this member and this member. Same thing on this side, and so I need to find out how long these are. And this ruler is really hard to use. So I think I have a better one here. I think this one might be better. Just because the actual increments are marked directly on the edge. It's just easier for me to see. That looks like 5.5 centimeters. So half of 5 centimeters is 2.5, and half of 0.5 is 1/4. So I go 2.5, and then I go 1/4 more, and this is the middle right here. Okay. So then I would draw a line from the middle of this member to this corner here. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to make it 1/8 of an inch, because my stock is all 1/8 of an inch. So you, when you draw this, see, we've got this right in the middle, and so there's a lot of different ways to do it. I would just say pick and either make your thickness above or below the where you've drawn the member. I'm going to make mine below where I've drawn the member. Okay, so there's my member. And so I'm going to do the same thing for this one, and this one. And then I'm going to add a piece that comes down. And so I'm going to do that, and then I will when I do that, I'll show you what I got. You do it on your own.